You're looking at a 1984 AM General M931 5-ton 6x6 tractor truck, powered by a 6-cylinder diesel engine. Odometer reads 28,273 miles with 31 hours of operation. The serial number is C531-03230. This vehicle does start buyer loan.
Government Liquidation, the world's online marketplace for U.S. government surplus and scrap property. With thousands of military surplus items added weekly to our inventory, GL offers surplus buyers a unique and dynamic pool of property for purchase and resale.